how to put in a code on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can enter an invite code on Cash App. In order to do that, all you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now to begin with the procedure, first of all, open a Cash App and then tap the activity tab located right at the bottom. Once you tap on it on the other interface, scroll down right to the bottom, and from there you will need to go ahead and invite your friends. So click on invite friend button. So when someone new to Cash App creates an account, enter your referral code and send a qualifying payment from a newly linked debit card. You'll both get an invitation bonus. Your referral code is the combination of numbers and letters at the end of your invitation link and can be shared directly from the app or online. And after 14 days from the date they entered your referral code to verify their account and send a qualifying payment. So in this way you can put in a code on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.